And on this Friday night, a chance for either to make a statement. The opening whistle arrives. It is El Paso away to Phoenix on CBS Sports. Rocco Rios Novo, the final MVP last year, mentioned that Phoenix won the title over Charleston in penalties. John Stenberg, late equalizer. And an incredible turnaround, not only in that game, but specifically within the shootout, leading Phoenix to their first title. Long ball forward and a real chance, knocked away by Waite. And the follow-up. The absence of Andre Blake in the Copa America this summer, including an epic performance against Mexico. Lobbed long, drops in. Trying to chip the keeper, Rios Novo kept his hand out, Coronado put it wide. Ball through, chested back, Varela! It's in, but it will not count.
Not starting, Eric Vermella gets a nod at the top line, and what he gives you, the ability to bring players into this game. About a yard or two offside off the shoulder of Yuma. He gives you leadership, he gives you the ability to organize the players in front of you. So I'm looking at Coronado, Rodriguez, and Calvillo. It's a clever little ball.
Moreno, as dangerous as anyone you'll find in the championship. Moreno forces Rios Novo to reach back and slap it over the crossbar. It might be a bit of a learning experience tonight for Pop Marboy.
This is some technique outside of the foot over a couple players, and then you're asking Moreno just to go to work. Around the corner, picks his head up, no one. And around that 18-yard box, why not have a go and try to catch Rios Novo off his line? Talked about him in the open. He's a player that can produce and be the difference maker for the visiting side here.
Crowd looks on. It's dollar beer night here. All hung across, over Wade, header goes in! Scarce pulls Phoenix ahead before halftime! His first championship goal. Finally, they pulled the cork here in Phoenix. 1-0 ahead. See this many come back together. Clearly, they know their roots. '70th minute. Phoenix looking to put the dagger in. Massive collision, midfield play on, ball all the way through. Reno! Oh, wow! Jamali Waite to the rescue! Firing forward on all cylinders again. Adams puts it wide. Asakar dragging for Mella. He's denied briefly by Coronado. Jose Hernandez. Asokar. Asokar! He's one of the first guys Mark Lowry brought in when they launched El Paso 6 years ago, and he's still here at the age of 38. They'll have to defend a corner now. Zambrano, header, Scarce denied by Waite. Scarce nearly with his head again.
It's a really clever header from Scarce. Creates a little bit of separation, let momentum do its thing and just redirect it. Reaction save from Jamali Waite to push it wide of his goal mouth.
Another corner. We'll stay with Phoenix. 4 to players on the field, and of course the 1 to the reserve goalkeeper. It's disappointing, right? You and I see the live statistics that come in, referees report, it just says dissent. Would I pay to know what was actually said? Or what language it was in, to be fair.
Fair.
Formella. He's done an admirable job today. Again, trying to fill in for Remy Cabral. There's a sub coming for El Paso in a moment. Meanwhile, Dorotioto. A little trouble, Jamali Waite. Only 1 window remains here for El Paso. And it'll be a change that was a long, long time coming. Get to that in a moment. Formella. The numbers are brilliant here for Phoenix. Can they find their second? They can! That's the dagger! Pop Mar Boy! The first pro goal for Pop Mar Boy. Phoenix ahead by 2. This is a game Phoenix absolutely had to have, and they do. A 2-0 win for Phoenix, rising over El Paso Locomotive.